guys? We're back with another video. This time we're with
Chino over here in the air-conditioned shed, bro.
Yeah, you guys never seen the Malibu. This is his project. Took a break from Ron's car, my car. Huh. I've been collecting dust. When did you take the interior out?
I needed to check if there was any rust, and turns out that there fucking was.
Where?
Right here. Right here in the fucking A-pillar and on the floor. I fixed the floor though.
Oh, yeah,
nasty ass fucking booger was.
Let me see the floor. But yeah, this used to have a 350 in it. It was clapped out. It was just time for a new one. Oh, you can just take an angle grinder and smooth it out.
Yeah, that's all I really need. I mean, I bought the sheet for like not even $100. It was like $60.
It's not bad.
Yeah. And I already had a welder in there, so might as well put it to use.
Damn, this shit collecting dust and cobwebs.
Oh, I haven't done shit here, man. Motherfucker. Fucking money. I think this is your wrench too, the last time you came over here.
Nah, I don't have a stubby.
For real? Because
Yeah,
I don't have Mac tools.
I don't have a stubby. I don't think. Well, today, 6.0 LP4, 155,000 miles. He's building it. I'm just showing him what to do to build it. It's nothing really special. It's got a S3 intake with throttle body. What else did you get? He's got the BTR valve train kit with 660 dual springs. It's got titanium retainers. It's got the LS3 rocker arms and shaft mounts. It's got ARP head studs. That's for it. It's got LS3 heads from Chevrolet Performance. I forgot what the combustion chamber size is. It's got standard LS3 MLS head gaskets. What need for again?
For the
BTR rocker arm bolts.
And then
What's that?
I think it's the
Oh yeah, and then he's got the BTR cam kit.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. So I hit up my guy Paul over at BTR. He's a representative there. He helped me spec out this cam for him as far as what he wants to do, power output, type of trans he's got. He's also got a 4L80. It's got a LS3 stage 2 cam. It's got the 660 valve springs.
And LS7 lifters.
It's got LS7 lifters. I think it's got 7.425 push rods, if I'm not mistaken. These got their valve stem installation tool, valve stem seal installation tool. This is to put in the valve springs without taking the heads off. Basically, you put that to air hose. Yeah, it's gonna be like a pretty quick video.
Yeah, pretty much.
We gotta clean off the block as well, so it's disgusting.
Oh yeah, that bitch is gross. Yeah. That bitch rotting out.
Let's get into it. Wow, literally just had it back running too.
We'll turn this off. Oh, what the fuck?
Just leave it plugged in if it's off.
No, it's really stuck on there. I think it got really hot to the point where it melted inside here. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Man, beaner problems, bro. Fuck.
Is the AC off? So now I got him taking off the front accessories. Starting with the alternator. Why are you hitting me so lightly?
doesn't want to come off, bro.
You gotta get a pin and you gotta smack it out there. Actually, try leaning this up, wiggling it, and open the hole. So like, cause sometimes this will tilt. Other than that, you need like a pry bar. Got it?
Let me take the other one out. Or is it just two?
It's just two.
Yeah, right. I think I have some pliers.
Probably another one on the backside as well. You gotta look around, not just like start yanking on everything.
Oh, fuck. There's one right here.
Yeah, you found it?
Yeah. We gotta take this off.
Okay. Power steering pump is off. Next thing you gotta get is to the AC condenser. Take that off. Then we'll have to get to the exhaust manifolds. Yeah, that's heavy as hell, so be careful while you're loosening it.
It's 3 bolts holding it on.
Yep. There's gonna be another one right here. Yeah, that'd be good behind you.
I'm gonna let it drop.
Huh?
I'm gonna let it drop.
Oh, you're gonna let it fall?
Yeah. Or not.
There's another one at the bottom you didn't
Here,
get.
right?
Yeah. And then it's gonna fall. No, not that one. One on the side. That's gonna be easier. 'Cause that's the whole bracket for with the tensioner on top of it. Get this one right here. It's facing you.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes. Throw that thing in the pile of trash right here.
Fucking garbage.
All right, we'll get back to you once we get all these front accessories off, so that way you can clean that block down. So if you guys can see, we got Orlando in the background. He pulled through in the GTO that we haven't seen in a while. Lazy ass. What are we doing, Omar?
What we doing?
Yeah.
Fucking
Making it
cleaning
look
out
nice.
these fucking heads that Orlando somehow wants
For some reason.
for some fucking reason.
Because they flow better than getting regular square port, you know, Chevrolet Performance OEM square port heads.
Apparently to him they're too expensive.
Yeah, personal preference. He's just a cheap ass. Still love him though, but he's a cheap motherfucker. Make sure you clean off the bottom of the sides as well. You want to make sure you clean off the block. I just sprayed it with degreaser on
I should have put some shit over here too. I just got the whole fucking thing covered. The vacuum?
Oh, that.
I'm gonna need a smaller brush.
Yeah. Look at all that grime. This is like the best purchase I've ever made. Engine degreaser? I wish I did this shit to mine. I'd use the oven cleaner and let it sit.
Calling me lazy.
Huh?
Don't be calling me lazy, nigga.
Hell yeah, I called you lazy. Man, it's the first time you ever been on camera without everyone else around. How you feel? So you stand there, you can be the cameraman.
This fucking block is disgusting.
So where his $100 at? So you can take these heads off his head. Oh yeah, there it go right there.
Well, is that a down payment?
It's $100. Exactly.
It's $100 exactly.
Why you just walk around with $100 in your pocket?
I just got this $100.
What the hell you do?
The $100?
You was selling ass.
Hell yeah. You ever seen that
To
dance?
grown men?
Oh my
Oh
god.
no.
Hey, man. Gotta get it how you live it.
Oh
You
no.
know what I'm saying?
Man was in here trying to be like Mike.
That's how you be fast.
Are you sure it was just a stomach thing?
That's why.
Right.
That's why it's a bunch of gay race car drivers now.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're lying.
I'm dead ass.
In what sports?
F1.
I don't know how I knew you was about to say that shit. Like, what the fuck was folks' name on Ricky Bobby? What the fuck was his name, bro?
NASCAR, everyone is talking about this new driver, John Girard. Let's find out a little bit more about him from our reporter, Davey Wessling.
Talented, eccentric, dominating. These are the words that define Jean Girard. Before each race, Jean Girard spends time with his world-class horses, who are also gay. Jean's days are filled with sun-drenched walks with his beloved husband, Gregory.
Talking about.
He was like, we can squash this beat now if you give me a kiss, Ricky Bobby.
The fuck?
Yeah, bro, you never seen Talladega Nights Ricky Bobby?
Bro, this shit pissing me off. I'm gonna take this water pump off.
Alright, go ahead.
Take it off, man.
Man, Orlando finna do some work, bro. Look at that. Are those the E-sockets?
Yeah, these your sockets, nigga.
No. Like, there's E-sockets, like the reverse torques, and then there's like regular sockets.
Okay, I get it. You fancy, man. I wish I was fancy.
Weren't you working on
You don't-
airplanes a couple
I'm
months ago?
saying, bro, you was
Yeah.
over here working on, what the fuck is that one thing called? They call it like the Angel of Death or whatever.
AC 130?
Yeah, AC 130. Mister, I still got the keys to enter that bitch right now.
I do.
Prove it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He ain't got it for real. He ain't got it right
They
here.
connected to my my key.
Sounds good. Damn, look.
What the fuck, man? Alright. Boom. Look at that.
That motherfucker fake.
Shut your
Hey,
ass.
man, it's not even cut.
Hey, what you doing with your house key,
You know what
man?
I'm saying, bro. The key not even cut.
Why this water... Whoever did this water pump last is an idiot. Because they should not be this tight.
This motherfucker do got 150K miles on
Bruh. I didn't
And
seen...
whoever was driving this neglected the fuck out of
You,
him.
you know
it. I
how
don't know about
skinny...
neglected it,
You know how skinny these water pump bolts
Both are skinny as fuck, I know.
And
Those
they
the same
this
ones
tight.
they use to put
for the
cam in.
intake. They... Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But... Damn, that shit is grimy. You got a whole type of shit hitting my
Here's
kneecaps.
here's even smaller brush too. This one?
Oh yeah, I was using that one.
Oh. I'm leave it up there for you. God damn, motherfucker, put your wrist into it.
Hey man, I'm on retirement pay right now.
Ain't no retirement pay, nigga. You
I'm
clocked out on one job today to clocking at the other.
Hey man, fuck
Talking
that.
about retirement pay. This is union.
Union.
Yeah, this is union.
Oh hell no, I gotta leave now. I don't fuck with y'all. Y'all union motherfuckers be doing too much.
This is union.
Y'all strike more than y'all work, goddammit.
Damn, that's fucked up.
fuck you goddamn union motherfuckers. And they all voted for Trump.
The fucking brush, bro.
We need to get you like some bar lights. I think I still have a set at the house.
For now it's fine. I'm not really in the shed often. We're gonna run a cable of electricity down when we get it.
Well, why y'all got these 3,000-year-old wrenches, man?
That's his.
I'm gonna give you some. I got like a million ratchets, bro. I'm gonna give you one.
Yeah, like the one that you broke.
Bro, I break ratchets, so that's why I got so many.
God damn.
Y'all remember at Benhausen? Well, you remember at Benhausen? I used the ratchet to put a wheel on the car.
Yeah, just like how you would use brake clean like it's water.
Damn, you just missed a big ass part. Look at that shit.
Damn, you said you want your shit to blow up. It's rhyme all over it.
Damn.
Take this stock cam out, put it inside of a ZR1. You know? That shit gon' run.
Okay, wipe right there because it's like powered
That shit gonna run like,
Here's a small brush.
Right here, you said?
Yeah, I don't want that flowing into the parts.
bro, this clutch fan could kill the motherfucker.
That?
Yeah. My dad, you know how the Trailblazers, they had a clutch fan?
Yeah.
He ain't know it was still spinning. It knocked the chunk off his finger.
Damn, what the fuck?
And that shit plastic too, easily bendable.
That motherfucker, that shit don't hurt. If that smack you, add some RP. Hey.
What's that?
Iced tea.
Oh, thank you.
Gracias, papá.
Oh,
Estoy bien, yo traigo agua. Bro,
¿Ya te pegaste eso? Traes toda la nariz llena, toda la cara llena de aceite.
pues mira todo lo que quería.
I'm talking about.
He was like, we can squash this beat now if you give me a kiss, Ricky Bobby.
The fuck?
Yeah, bro, you never seen Talladega Nights Ricky Bobby?
Bro, this shit pissing me off. Who's gonna take this water pump off for me?
Oh, go ahead.
Take it off, man.
Man, Orlando finna do some work, bro. Look at that. Are those the E-sockets?
Yeah, these your sockets, nigga.
No. Like there's E-sockets, like the reverse torques, and then there's like regular sockets.
Okay, I get it. You fancy, man. I wish I was fancy.
What you working on?
You don't-
Airplanes a couple
I'm
days ago?
saying, bro, you was
Yeah.
over here working on, what the fuck is that one thing called? They call it like the Angel of Death or whatever.
AC 130?
Yeah, AC 130. Mister, I still got the keys to enter that bitch right now.
I do.
Prove it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He ain't got it for real. He ain't got it right
They
here.
connected to my my key.
Sounds good. Damn, look.
What the fuck, man? Alright. Boom. Look at that.
That motherfucker fake.
Shut your
Hey,
ass.
man, it's not even cut.
Hey, what you doing with your house key,
You know what
man?
I'm saying, bro. The key not even cut.
Why this water, whoever did this water pump last is an idiot. Because they should not be this tight.
This motherfucker do got 150K miles on it.
Bruh, I didn't
And
seen,
whoever was driving this neglected the fuck out of
you,
it.
you know
I
how
don't know about
skinny,
neglected it,
you
but
know how skinny these water pump bolts
bolts are skinny as fuck. I know.
And
Those
they
are the same
this
ones
tight.
that use the
for
put
the
cam in.
intake. They, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But, damn, that shit is grimy. You got a whole type of shit hitting my
Here's
kneecaps.
here's even smaller brush. This one.
Oh yeah, I was using that one.
Oh, I'll leave it up there for you. God damn, motherfucker, put your wrist into it.
Hey man, I'm on retirement pay right now.
Ain't no retirement pay, nigga. You
I'm
clocked out on one job today to clock in at the other.
Hey man, fuck
Talking
that.
about retirement pay. This is union.
Union?
Yeah, this is union.
Oh hell no, I gotta leave now. I don't fuck with y'all. Y'all union motherfuckers be doing too much.
This is union.
Y'all strike more than y'all work, goddammit.
Damn, that's fucked up.
fuck you goddamn union motherfuckers. And they all voted for Trump.
The fucking brush, bro.
We need to get you like some bar lights. I think I still have a set at the house.
For now it's fine. I'm not really in the shed often. We're gonna run a cable of electricity down when we get
Well, why y'all got these 3,000-year-old wrenches, man?
That's his.
I'm gonna give you some. I got like a million ratchets, bro. I'm gonna give you one.
Yeah, like the one that you broke.
Bro, I break ratchets, so that's why I got so many.
God damn.
Y'all remember at Benhausen? Well, you remember at Benhausen? I used the ratchet to put a wheel on the car.
Yeah, just like how you would use brake clean like it's water.
Damn, you just missed a big ass part. Look at that shit.
Damn, you said you want your shit to blow up. It's grime all over it.
Damn.
Take this stock cam out, put it inside of a ZR1. You know? That shit gonna run.
Hey, right there, 'cause it's like powered up.
That shit gonna run like.
Here's a small
Right here, you said?
brush. Yeah, I don't want that flowing into the parts.
Bro, this clutch fan could kill the motherfucker.
That?
Yeah. My dad, you know how the Trailblazers, they had a clutch fan?
Yeah.
He ain't know it was still spinning. It knocked the chunk off his finger.
Damn, what the fuck?
And that shit plastic too, easily bendable.
That motherfucker, that shit don't hurt. If that smack you, add some RP. Hey.
Hey. What's that?
Iced tea.
Oh, thank you.
Gracias, papá.
Oh,
Estoy bien, yo traigo agua. Bro,
¿Ya te pegaste eso? Traes toda la nariz llena, toda la cara llena de aceite.
pues mira todo lo que quería.
Wait a minute, taking a sweet dear time. Taking off.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, no, I'm gonna go over here.
Oh, okay. I'm
Is
just
that AC bumping, right?
Yeah, it is, bro. I mean, I'm
Cold
gonna,
iced tea.
I'm gonna, whole time, I'm gonna, like, you know,
Just take one from Zay, he has 5.
you got 5 what?
5 AC units.
That's bigger than that.
Why?
Ask my grandfather, man. I don't know.
I feel like
You
your
see my
grandpa,
garage.
I feel like your grandpa cool as hell. He a cool guy.
Can be sometimes.
He can be sometimes. Papá, te la va a prender.
Oh, pero es automático. Vete para acá, no lo dejes ir al Mixi, por
Hey,
favor.
Chino, man.
Matt's gonna walk out.
Chino, man. Chino. Here. You go home, man. Just don't, you know, get my.
Nah, I'm not finna rev it either.
Oh shit. Bro, it's not gonna break. I promise you. I hope not. My bad. I'll put it back down.
Omar.
It keeps coming. Like when I'm on the.
Oh, it's loose?
Yeah, I was thinking about this. You said what?
Can I rev it?
This got heat in it. I just don't like when people try to rev it when I just started up.
I just started the car.
So what?
That's how you sense it.
Hey, yeah.
Little camp coming.
Did you fix this?
Dile que le pongo unas carreras con mi Honda.
I wanna see my soul rolling, bro.
She rolling.
You want to see each other winning.
I know, bro. LS boys.
I'm saying, man.
Yeah, y'all got that, bro. Turbo Iron Duke in the corner. Y'all got that.
Nah, bro.
Turbo 4-banger Chevy.
Nah, bro.
motor.
Cam 4.3, bro.
Nah, dog.
Yeah,
Iron
dog.
Dukes only, bro.
Hey, let's get some wrecked.
Hey, I really want
Hellcats
to build.
and
I
put,
really want to build a 4.3 though. Just
Dude,
because.
I don't know if you guys seen it, but there's a guy on YouTube that has a he turbo with his Iron Duke and ran like 11s in
Really?
his S10, yes. And he put in a C4 Corvette rear suspension in his S10.
Wait, is he on TikTok?
No, he's on.
I might have
he's
seen
on
it.
YouTube.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. But yeah, he runs like 11s, 12s with a turbo Iron Duke. I'm like, whoa. And that's what a stock one. You just slap the turbos on it. I think he fully built one next. I'm like, oh. I know someone out here building turbo Iron Dukes, man. Go ahead and dabble in that really quick.
Bro, I want to get a.
Pre-runner.
Yeah, I want one of those too. But what's the rear engine Pontiac Fiero?
Oh,
The Pontiac
Fiero?
Fiero, that's the Iron Duke.
Yeah, I know.
And they got a V6s.
I want to put a. Because there's people that put LSs in them.
Yeah.
That would be fun.
LS 4, right? Because they're from a drive, I think.
Yeah.
I'll see. I mean, it depends. I mean, I don't know,
It
man.
depends on the transmission they run. I'm pretty sure it's an LS4.
But I seen some manual ones. Some manual LS ones. I'm like,
Probably
well,
a
what?
different, it's probably.
But what transmission would that be? Does that have to be a transverse setup, manual, that could be compatible with an LS? I don't ever
I mean,
remember
a lot
it
of
being
people
one.
make adapter plates for the manual engine so they can put them into their car.
But then you have to make it handle that much more power.
I mean, if they got a stock LS, then I don't think they're gonna handle that much power.
You do me one favor. Actually, no. You stop being.
Hold it.
No, I'm gonna stop being a bitch. I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
You
Be a
want
man.
gloves?
Huh?
You want gloves?
Man, I don't wear gloves, man.
Yeah, let them know.
Damn.
Okay. 56 battery. I'll let y'all come gonna come back to this as soon as we get everything off and clean. Damn,
I ain't mean.
Nah, I got you, man. I got you. You
Bro,
said,
give me the fucking cardboard, bro.
you said you wanted it ripped, right?
Give me the fucking cardboard.
Yeah, see? Got you, dog. I got you.
Thanks, dog.
Yeah, man, no problem. All in a day's work.
All in a day's fuck up. Damn.
Yeah, uh-huh. Over here talking that shit.
Shut the fuck up.
I highly doubt it's gonna have any oil in there anyway.
Oh, it does have oil, trust me.
Oh, you looked already?
Yes.
Oh, damn. There's a decent amount in there already.
Yeah, that's probably why it was fucking heavy in the first place.
Wow.
Full of oil.
Yeah.
They must have freshly had pulled that out when they had this set for sale.
Oh shit. That thing is filling up dangerously close.
Of what? Oil?
Yeah, look how full it's getting.
Oh.
And it's still going.
Oh, damn. It'll make it. You need another container to put it in.
Yeah, that's the problem. I don't have a container. We'll put the boat back on.
Alright.
Uh,
You take more shit off. More little shit.
you gonna take off now?
Hey man, I used to be quick with it, man. What happened? What happened?
Motherfuckers got a GTO and then a Corvette. 2 Corvettes. We see you, man. You out here doing big things.
I don't got 2 Corvettes.
Man, you got 2. I don't know why you want to trade both your Corvettes in to get a ZR1 like you want.
Because car people ain't the smartest people. But we all dumb shit.
I don't know, dog. Damn, that shit's getting full fast.
It is, man.
That bitch not even draining all the way. Well, we gotta figure out.
They have another oil pan over there.
Alright, let me go look for it. Damn. Cum blasters.
I'm glad my parents aren't here to listen to this shit.
That's okay. I'm gonna send them the link to the video with Spanish subtitles. Translated by Zorro himself.
Facts. Some ghetto ass Mexican. That motherfucker don't even know how to speak Spanish properly.
He just uses a lot of slang and talk like Alex.
Y'all know the sequence, right? To take off heads.
Yes.
Yes.
Counterclockwise. Always.
Come on, bitch.
Oh my fucking god. What? What are you saying wait for?
Not about that. I'm just thinking my brain just went into
Smooth mode?
Dude, there was a lot of fucking oil in that thing. There was so much oil.
When was the last time you drained this thing?
Bro, we trying to take the heads off. We ain't got the harmonic balancer off yet.
Do you remember when we did the oil change with Brandon?
Yeah.
That's the last time I drained this.
What the hell? So that's the S10 blown engine oil.
Alright, it's topped off.
Well, put the cap on and drop it off at AutoZone.
So
We have to go. Why do we have to leave? This motherfucker stay leaving this shit
we
off.
didn't have the bolt.
Oh, I forgot my brakes.
Oh, you left the hood open.
Yeah.
I did. I like my engine being cold.
You're one questionable person.
Fucking
We
grime on
both
my
LS
nose.
niggas.
You have what?
Why didn't y'all tell me I had fucking oil on my nose?
Oh, I didn't see it.
I didn't see it either. How you get oil on your nose, buddy?
Cause I
Those ass. Is it still going?
Nah.
Or you turned it off?
turned it off.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit, this ain't big enough, bro.
You're lying.
I'm just
That's
playing.
too small.
No,
bro.
it's-
As soon as it starts twisting, yeah, no, you're lying.
Hey, bro, I just want to crank that. I don't know, bro.
Nah, it's a 24.
Yeah.
Nah, you were just saying nah, bro.
No, I didn't say nah, bro.
Every time I look at oil draining, I get pissed.
What?
Bro, what? Hey, no, bro. He kind of suspect.
I'm saying, boy.
What you mean?
I don't know what you
Motherfucker can't pee or some shit?
No.
Nah, bro. What
Nah.
grown-
What you doing? He got to do that.
What grown man peeing? Nah, I'm doing this shit.
Nah, he got to do that.
Hey,
This is his first time to do it.
this my bill now, nigga.
Get the fuck out of here.
This my Malibu.
Right, you didn't
I'm a-
already,
I'm a
you didn't,
idiot,
you didn't already built the LS. You can go fuck on. This nigga got to do all the work himself. Hey man, tell gravity to move faster, bro.
Hey man, get some castings and just put put Chino on the valve covers.
Are you talking about etching it?
Yeah, just etch Chino.
Why?
It's not an LS.
That's some explanation to do. I knew you was something sweet in that tank, boy.
Alright, so what we doing now, Orlando?
We finna.
So we got some watermelon with tahini.
All thanks to Chino.
Woo! All thanks to Chino.
All thanks to Chino. Mosquitoes and poop. What we doing, Orlando?
Motherfucker, what's we doing?
Step back. It's too dark.
Look at that.
Harmonic balancer pulley.
Hey, turn the camera to yourself. Turn it to yourself. He did that. Hold up.
Wait, tiki torches.
Get this in the camera. Get this in the camera.
Boy, that motherfucker sound wet. You
I
probably
should have
shit
put
yourself.
the fucking thing.
You set this nigga
Do it
on
again,
fire.
do it again.
Nah, if he do it, he
it's
gonna
too
shit
late.
himself.
Again, fuck.
Hey,
But that
that
motherfucker
shit
was
did
wet as
sound
hell.
wet
That was wet than a motherfucker.
Oh,
You better check your
fucking
drone.
hell. Hold up.
I'm sorry.
Alright, so what we doing?
Taking out the harmonic balancer. Okay, you're gonna get the right size bolts. They're gonna go onto there, even though this is like the wrong type of harmonic balancer pulley, but it'll work.
So this goes here?
Yeah, so it's goes on there. We use these bolts to pull it off. These really should have nuts because this isn't the right type of LS harmonic balancer pulley. You see how it's supposed to go on in there like that?
Yeah.
So, what I would suggest finding bolts that go onto that. Or something.
Oh, that shit did get the mosquitoes away.
Yeah. We'll come back to you once we find a solution to this.
Man, we gotta hold it together. We took a no, you hold it. You got it.
Yeah.
Don't let nothing fall out. That's
Finally
you.
got the fucking heads off.
Damn,
Don't-
that shit looks.
Don't put it down on the. Bro, that's good. It's all right. Here,
As
don't
long
put it
as
down
they're-
on any surface.
As long as they're not dirty, or as long as they're not clean, you're good. If they're clean, like perfectly
Here,
clean,
I'm
that
gonna
means
clear
the
out that
cylinder's
space
not
for you,
washed
bro.
with coolant or gasoline.
Sit it right there. Just don't sit it on the surface too much, cause you don't wanna.
What you mean, like this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
I mean, it doesn't matter.
oh, you ain't using them anyway. Fuck them heads.
You gonna sell them?
Yeah.
All right.
Make sure you.
I love this
hold
part.
on. Where's
What?
the
Trays.
Wait. Where's the
What?
dowel pin? Where's your dowel pin?
Oh, you is missing one. It's probably on there still.
Look at the head and grab the dowel pin. Why you like taking the part up?
Why do I like taking the lifter trays out?
Yeah.
Hold it. What's the D?
Oh, you missed a little bit, dog.
You
Alright,
missing it?
fuck it. It don't matter.
Yeah, it don't matter.
As long as
Am
you
I-
got one.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, good things.
Step on it. Orlando, step on it.
Where?
You guys missed it. So this man propped the tiki torch on there, and it fell on the Malibu and almost caught on fire.
I don't want no lifter to fall. I'm gonna get it out without any lifter falling. If a lifter fall,
You a bitch.
fuck. All of them.
Hey, so he's not one bitch, but he's a whole ass
Hey,
bitch.
these garbage.
You're not using. Oh,
He got new
hydraulics?
trays and lifters.
Here. Yeah, take them bitches out, bro.
We got new trays and lifters.
You got a magnet?
Put them in
No,
the
you
bin.
don't need no
What for?
mag. This is an LS, bro. Yank them
I'm
hoes.
sorry, you acting like I've ever built a LS in my life.
I mean, this now is your time to learn. Hold up, you finna do this side now.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, it's already done. All you gotta do is loosen the bolts.
I'm not getting dirty.
You're not getting dirty.
No.
You don't want to get your hands dirty?
No, I'm sick.
Motherfucker, you standing right here talking about you're sick. I'm
Yeah.
sick, but you're standing right there.
Right.
You didn't already got us sick if you sick.
That's your fault.
No, it's not. So what that got to do with you?
No, I don't wanna
think
touch
you-
the
I think
engine,
you
no.
scared.
Huh?
I think you scared.
Scared of what? I do this
Nigga,
for a
you-
living.
You take apart engines?
No, but I work on cars all day.
That don't matter. I do too. So does Orlando.
Bro,
Okay.
I can't take this shit off.
I've been on vacation.
You need quiet.
Yeah, fat ass vacation. Come on, some. Hey man, I'm tired. Tired of what? Being
Can
lazy?
you pass me that lifter tray, bro?
Nigga, when I said I was tired. See, he just fucked up. I was on the side until he said that shit.
It just sounds like this man's scared to take a head off.
Nigga, what? I've done that before.
Put this on the table.
An entire head?
Yes.
When?
At school, Mr. V.
Wait, you're missing
This
something.
motherfucker talking about at school with Mr. V. I'm talking about on a working engine.
Engine worked.
Nah, no it didn't. All those engines are garbage. That's why they were there.
And I ain't gonna lie, this one seized up in there. But fuck it, I'm gonna rip it out. Ooh, look at that. You see that?
Astro band that we cut up.
Look at them surface.
Yeah, Mr. V had an Astro band.
Hey, them lifters is going anyway.
Yeah.
Love
Where'd you? Here. What?
This fucking shit getting into the water jackets.
Turn the engine around. This man Orlando dropping shit. This man engine.
Get the fuck out of here. I just stopped half of the shit from going in there.
Do I need these again?
Where do you
For
go?
the
Those are the
trays.
lifter trays, but just
Yeah.
keep them just in case.
I don't remember if you got new ones.
Man, more, you doing big moves, huh?
Man, since you're not finna touch nothing, then here, man the camera. Camera boy. So,
Big moves over here, huh, big fella?
alright, bro, try. What y'all using that for?
Look at that. 3 minorities working on this.
Hey, can you give me a 10?
Long or short?
It don't matter.
Wait, why do y'all got this stuff, this short 8? What'd y'all have that for?
Oh, we got it for something. I don't remember.
Alright, give
Take off one of them motherfucking things. What the fuck?
Why are you
I
grabbing a
just need a
swivel?
regular 10, bro.
Fucking crank pulley, I'm sorry. God damn, watch out. Excuse me. Almost had to take you toward falling dead.
Oh.
There's gonna be some flaming niggas.
Hey,
Damn, there's a whole, what the fuck going on by your house?
There's another coming out.
hey. If a LS got raw now, how easy it is to fix it?
To get, if it gets rod knot, it depends.
Depends how bad it is.
If any car gets rod knot, how easy is it?
Let's
to
check on
fix?
the way.
Yeah, yo, that
Hey,
is.
what's going on?
How the
There
fuck
goes
is
the
Something on fire, bro.
Yep, that's the firefighter truck.
what the fuck you run out there for?
Just the air call.
Oh, hey, some shit going on.
It is.
Hold on, I want to see what's going on. Yeah, come on. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Remember that truck that passed by?
Yeah.
I think he failed because he's over there.
Porque no se detuvo ni aquí ni allá, yo creo que chocó.
He probably crashed over there.
Porque yo que madres.
Sí, pasó bien recto. Yo oí y dije, ah, caray, ni siquiera está piso aquí. Ya pasaron los bomberos.
Cam gear off, huh?
There you go.
Now take it off.
Now, where them water pump bolts at?
There, put it. The wire comes in. Just put it.
Yeah, I got you, folks.
Chino, take out the cans and go home.
Just put them in the holes.
Alright, put the impact down.
Now you gotta.
I gotta take these off,
Take
don't
the
I?
retainer off.
I was gonna say put the water pump bolts in first and then take the retainer off.
These are the water pump bolts?
No, those are fine. Just take this off.
These some amazing water pump boats.
Those?
Yeah, these some amazing water pump
We need
boats.
some ARPs though.
ARP? We need like
Check that
15
to see if
foot,
the gasket is flat.
15-foot studs. No, replace that bitch.
Yeah, you might have to replace this.
That motherfucker look like,
It's flat than a motherfucker.
yeah, bro, that look like some pussy.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Nigga, what?
Bro, what the fuck is wrong with me? Some old woman pussy, bro.
Yo!
Take the water
Bro.
pump bolts out.
Fucking
Just
Pearl
one,
and
just
pussy,
one. That's
man.
time to cover. That's time to
Who?
cover. These two right here. Are the oil pump bolts.
You know who Pearl is? Hey, none of those are water pump boats.
Where the fuck is the water pump bolts?
In the water pump.
I thought y'all fuck. Nigga,
Bro,
the water
what
pump
the
is outside
fuck?
flipped over.
Okay, and?
So where the bolts for it?
Aren't it these?
Are they long as fuck? Are they long? They gotta be long, bro. Longer than that.
No, that's not that. Here.
There you go. Yeah.
Screw it in?
Yep. Screw it in. Get half of that thread in there. Now, you gonna be working out your wrist strength with this, man.
I cannot stress this enough. Be very, very careful.
Actually, I'm gonna leave because I feel like if I sneeze or something,
You not, just
Here,
Bro.
throw this in the
I'm
garbage.
just playing. I'm being over exaggerating, right?
You're being a nigga.
Yeah.
You put that that plate in the where that cookie shit was in the garbage too.
All right, twist it a little. Twist it a couple times.
this? Like this?
Yeah, twist it.
Oh shit.
Is it hard?
No.
All right, cool. Go slow. Turn as you go. You're a little bit too rough with it.
Make sure you support it with your second hand too. That's the whole point. You got the oil pump on, so you can pick it up a little bit. Be careful when you're pulling it out. You gotta tilt it a little bit. Tilt it.
Sounds really tight.
Tilt it around.
Keep turning. Turn it.
It's really fucking tight.
It's gonna be tight.
It's really fucking tight.
There you go,
Holy
man.
fuck.
Look at that.
Damn, he got it out.
Bro, that was stressful, bro.
Bro, I need to tell
Oh
I need to
shit,
take-
bro. Fucking lens is dirty as hell.
Hey, man.
This man got a cam bolt out. This man got a cam out.
Fuck. Yeah, bro.
This man got a cam out.
I'm saying, bro. Hey, man. He better
Who we
than
texting?
The lobes look fine.
Look at them. Look at that
The
front
cam
camera.
there.
Wait, so how do you know if you fucked them up?
Because they will be scored or scratched.
Yeah, it'll be scratched.
That's a good looking cam though. It's not that giant.
Damn, niggas finna go home. This is crazy.
Shut up, nigga.
This is crazy, bro.
Shut up.
Hey, y'all go be nosy and go look down there and see what happened.
What?
That was loud as shit.
Yeah, I know. I thought my car broke.
Damn, bro, we're finna dip. I'm gonna try to get as far as, I'll get as much as
off there. We took apart the block. We found out he's gonna be needing more things than just that. It's gonna need new cam bearings and a bunch of other things. We'll get that sorted. This might turn into a series, but yeah, I'm gonna call it that for like that one video. Alex in Orlando slid through, helped a little bit. Chino definitely went back learning something, and yeah, time to go home and edit a video and go ahead and upload this. Peace.